good.
I'm afraid of these. The larva. Should I eat the butt or the head?
Maybe. There's no video anymore.
No, it's like hollow. It's like eating skin. All right, we're on Khoisan Road now. Khaosan Road. What do you think, baby?
Full of people like you.
People like me?
Yeah.
Like foreigners?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, there's a lot of those.
And you can find anything here. Food, shopping, food,
Yeah.
clothes.
Okay.
And
What are we looking for now?
I really want to eat like some noodles or anything with soup.
Okay. Well, let's see if we can find that. I don't know if a tourist place will have soup because foreigners don't usually eat soup.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, do you want a little thing? Little keychain? Just like looks like some Junes over there. So you can definitely smell weed everywhere. Shit. Get you a massage, get a drink.
So many elephants back here.
Do you want to look at elephant bags?
They said it's quite expensive here.
Ah,
Where there are tourists.
okay. I don't know if you can see it behind me. I'm trying not to point it at crowds, but okay. Soup. How are we gonna find soup, baby?
Some of it looks big.
You get a tattoo right here. Henna tattoo.
พี่บ๊อบบอกว่าให้ยืมใช้ค่ะ
Looks like a lot of people in there smoking. You see like 10 guys in there smoking weed?
Yeah.
I want to
That's
go.
why I'm laughing because he was also like chilling.
Okay. Well, we haven't found soup yet.
There's still food there.
Okay.
What do you want to eat?
Well, let's find what you asked for first. Bags are only 100?
Have you seen like a hat for your mom?
Oh, no, not yet. But we'll find it.
They're talking about happy hour.
I know.
Okay.
There's more.
Holy beer. Oh, I think some people are smoking outside. Yeah, they're just outside, babe. I think if we could really find like a place here, like there's no crowd.
I don't think
Or maybe. Whoa, what's this?
You want to keep going or no?
Yeah, keep going.
Huh? Okay. There's alligator. Wow. Which one do you want to try? You want to try worms? What do you think?
Okay. Let's ask how.
Calray? Calray? One half is
100?
Okay.
Ah, it's everything mixed.
Do you want to try it?
Sure.
Thank God I didn't put the bed.
Okay. 100.
Have a meat, yeah.
Mixed. Let me take picture.
You excited?
No. Not really.
Think you're gonna fry them again? You do them crispy?
Yeah.
No, thank you. Bye.
Kaban ka.
Bye. Bye.
I'll take a photo first. Let's find a where we could.
Diamond style, you know. That's why I think it's more. But
Getting a drink? Maybe just a bottle of water. Or,
I wanna try this one.
okay.
Just to innovate. Just to get that. Maybe I'm gonna get the wood.
เงินสดมากพอที่สุดเงินสดมันมีหลายร้านขนาดไม่อย่างเราเงินเสียสี่พันก็เลยตัดสินใจไปที่อยู่ฝั่งในสตูดิโอลองยื่นดูถ้าจริงๆถ้าไม่ผ่านใจคือจะโทรละที่อยู่กับทีมมาของเขาแต่ว่าตอนนั้นเดี๋ยวจ่ายคุณจ่ายไม่หมดด้วยยังไม่พอจ่ายยังไม่พอเขาจะคิดค่าใช้จ่ายก็ได้ปีใหม่
I don't have any pistol or any. That looks good. Blueberry sundae. Maybe we should try some chicken sandwich or something.
I'll have the Thai food later.
We're gonna pick it up.
Yeah, not yet there.
Okay.
I can borrow your bag.
Sure. She's gonna take a video.
It's my first time eating insects.
Okay. You wanna go first?
First time eating insects. What should be happy?
Whatever looks easiest.
Eee.
Eat the worm first.
ก็น้ำก็จ่ายเข้าไปแต่ก็ไม่ต้องคุยอะไรแล้วน้ำก็จ่าย
It actually is very crispy, but thinking about
Was this a little frog?
good thing I ordered fun.
A little frog is good.
What's that?
A frog? I think.
Oh no.
Yeah. He's jumping. Oh, there's like a crunchy chicken leg.
I don't think I can eat this.
Try it. Just close your eyes and take a bite. Ooh.
Maybe I can't anymore.
Wait.
Okay.
Say, grab me a cricket. It's like crispy.
What's next? I
It's like a
It's like a draw that's here's like here random pick up. Yeah.
it tastes like nothing. You wanna try another one?
No, I'm good.
I'm afraid of these. The larva. Should I eat the butt or the head?
Maybe. There's no video anymore.
No, it's like hollow. It's like eating skin. Ooh, they got different pies. Maybe we should try a McDonald's pie later. We're gonna go partake. Might get a little sped up video of that.
Okay, what else is in there? Let me see. Insect check.
I don't want to eat the locust. Grasshopper was okay.
Locust, what's that? Ah, this one. This one, babe. This one.
I don't want that. I can see his eyes.
I don't know if it's the same in America, but they said it would come to like men's.
Downstairs.
Yeah.
The
Is
frogs are good.
I can't with you.
They're super good. Honestly, not bad. They could be better seasoning, honestly.
I think it's better. It's spicy.
I mean, the only thing that's bad is like my eyes just tell it that it's weird.
Eating insects in McDonald's. I only had 2 bites. 2 or 3.
I think I'm good on that.
Oh, it's like you're just eating peanuts.
Yeah. The frogs are the best though. I would eat a whole thing of just frogs. Yeah. It's like the crispy end of a chicken wing.
Okay, let me see. Look at those.
Just locusts and worms left.
It doesn't taste weird or anything, but I think the thought of eating it makes it,
Makes it weird.
yeah. It's just like a crispy chicken or anything. Nothing really weird taste, but just thinking or looking at this,
Yeah.
ew. I can't anymore. At least I tried.
All right, we'll be back.